Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I got stuff from the Dollar Tree, Five Below, and Walmart. Oh, I got this shirt from Five Below as well, and I got one more shirt. It's upstairs.
No, Maddie. Maddie.
But here's my unboxing video. Let me just grab one thing from my purse. Knife. This doesn't need my knife. I got 3 of these. The only ones I really want are the main ones. So, oh, I was wrong. I do need my knife. I am not a knife expert. Do not copy what I do. And sorry about my voice. I'm getting over being sick. Let's see. Wait a second. Are these guys fuzzy? That's my grandma. You're in a video now, Grandma. These guys look... Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Did I just get a limited edition one? I got a golden foxy. Okay, let me open this quickly. It wasn't even that. 3 exclusive figures. Gold or glow in the dark. Oh my god. Oh, cute. A little card with Wither Bonnie and a sticker of him. Okay, one second. Let me put those there. Okay. I got this at Five Below. This is gold or glow in the dark. And I got a gold one. I wasn't expecting to get this one. I am so happy right now. He's adorable. I'll put you guys right there. I got Bonnie. These guys are fuzzy. Bonnie. Cute little Bonnie. And Golden Freddy. He's fuzzy. Oh my god, his little ear is adorable. They're fuzzy. That's all that comes in the box. Oh, and a little stand for them. Because I got a gold one, I'm going to put him on this little stand. Okay, I'm not going to do this in any particular order, but I do have more of Five Nights at Freddy's stuff. But first, I'm opening one of my AFMail blind boxes. I guess the only one I really want is the Dark Cat or Electric Cat. But I would be happy with any of them. Okay. I don't care if I ruined the box. I'm just trying to be careful as not to ruin what's in it. You know what? Look at that. Okay. Only thing left is the checklist in the box. Okay. Aw, they're all so cute. Here's the checklist. You can get these at Walmart or Target. Or anywhere that sells them at your local store or something. I'm not sponsoring them. I'm just saying where I got them from. It's something sparkly. Oh, it's the sea kitty. So cute. I love it. You're adorable. Look how adorable it is. Oh, so cute. You go there. Just wanted to make sure I say your name right. Oh, my bad. Your name is Water Cat. Okay. I also got these from Walmart. I love How to Train the Dragon, so excuse me while I go feral at whoever I'm about to get. Please, I don't have a preference for who I want, but I want Toothless. Even if I don't get him, I'll be happy. Aw, Stormfly! Oh, wait, no, wait, you're not Stormfly. You're Fish Legs Dragon. Meatlug. Meatlug. He's adorable. I could tell because his tail. He's a Grunkle. Which just came with a checklist though. Put that there, garbage there. This is from the Dollar Tree. I just need a new keychain for my purse. I am not putting this on my purse. It is adorable, but look at it from head on. That was... Oh yeah, I got food in here. I forgot I bought this. I'll try this at the end. Let's see, what else did I receipt? A keychain from Five Below. I really don't have a reference of which one I want. I just needed a new keychain, and this one was at the way back in the top, so I hope it's something good. Ooh, it is someone good. Golden Freddy. That just means I need 4 more to complete the set. Should have bought 4 more, but I'm happy. He's adorable. You're going right there. And at the end of the video, I will show everything. More food. I mainly got Five Nights at Freddy's stuff and FNAF. Oh, I got a keychain in here. I forgot I got this. Let's see what my keychain looks like. It's a camera. I like taking pictures, so... Oh, wow, that's bright. Yes, I just did that. Put that there. Okay, I got this because it was the only one of its kind left. So let's see who I got. Oh, it's just regular old... Ooh. I should have looked at this better. These guys, he looks weird, but I'm honestly fine with it. This is what he looks like, so give me a minute to get him out of the packaging. I got him at Five Below. Oh, I forgot something. I wanted to be drinking a can of Fanta, but I forgot to grab it, so give me a minute. I'll let you look. I guess I'll just... Nah, I won't get it. I'll do a picture of the Fanta container. Okay. Let's see who's in this one. Duplicate. Good thing I have family I can give this to. I think my little brother will like it. That's the empty one. Let's open another AFMail. I figure doing this is easier than using my teeth. Ooh, I see pink. Oh, it's Ruby actually. It's the Ruby Dragon squishy thing. Oh. It's the Ruby one. Now I'll put you there. Okay, I got one Minecraft thing. It was the only one of its kind. I think the last time I did this, I got the Iron Golem. I think I got him again. No, it feels too flat. But I think it's the Iron Golem. Oh, never mind. Forget what I said about the Iron Golem. Don't care about... You know that one smell you can never pinpoint? That's what this smells like. It smells decent though. I got the sheep. Bah. Bah. I need to start acting my age. But if I did that, then what's the fun of being the way I am? Okay. Okay. One more half-mail thing, then I'll do another Five Nights at Freddy's box. I got this because I thought it was cool. Only one I will use my teeth on, though. I don't care there's 50 to collect. I just really... Oop. Yep, you definitely saw me throw that. Okay, first I'm going to look at the checklist and then I'm going to grab that. Oh my god, this is going to be so cute. I think this is going to be the main one I focus on if I do the Rolly bracelet sticker things. Okay, I'm not going to bother checking this fully out. Now, did I fold? Yeah, this looks right. No, wait, no it doesn't. Oh well. I don't want to ruin that, so I'm going to put it right there. A sticker page. Find the sticker from your bracelet to complete this page. This page contains a box for you to put your sticker. To complete the collection, add... Okay. Here's the stickers that are on this page. I see a unicorn, all of her friends. Aw, cute. I have that one. I have that plushie in real life. The lollipop cat. So here's the bracelet. I'm not gonna pull any stickers right now. I have plus none of these ones match that one, and I don't feel like pulling them because I got nowhere to put them. So I will put this bracelet on because this wrist feels bare. I typically have my watch right here. Oh, it stretches. That will actually make this easier. Oh, nope, okay, it's not broken. Sorry. Okay, attempt 2. I wanted to make slime and all that stuff is upstairs. That's why I went upstairs in the first place. If you want a video of me making slime, let me know. I said I was going to do another FNAF one. Let's go with this one. I guess the only other one I would want is a Glitch Trap, Lolbit, and Fun Time. Fuck, Freddy. No freaking way. Are all these gonna be the same? Please tell me they're not. Okay, I got a toy Bonnie this time. And Fun Time. Either another Golden Foxy. I thought these were supposed to be rare. Like, what are the chances of this? Of me getting 2? Okay. In this one, for the sticker and card, it's a Chica sticker and a Foxy plushie card. I like how these are gold and shiny. Oh, there's numbers on these. 19, 17. Okay, for the sake of simplicity, I'm gonna put that one over there under that one. Okay. If this is either Fun Time Foxy or Lolbit. Let me... I think it's a Fun Time Foxy. I'm sorry. I thought it was a Lolbit. Lolbit has orangish, yellow, whatever color that is on them. They're so fuzzy. It's adorable. And Fun Time Bonnie. Okay. I'm gonna open my last two AFMail things, and then my last Foxy, then I'll try the food. The one is a Mr. Beastables Cookies and Cream, which I didn't know that existed, but I did get it at Five Below, along with the other thing. Oh, you look like turquoise, or, oh, green, what's green? Green is emerald. Still really want the amethyst, but not complaining. Emerald dragon. Ooh. Wait. With these colors, yes, there is a Christmas wreath on the door. With these colors, it's Christmas. Meow, meow, roar, 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 roar. Okay, I'll get to the last AFMail thing, and then I'll go through everything on my table. Oh, I did not put you someplace. Let me set you right there. Okay. The only one of these I want is the amethyst. Sorry, I got distracted. We have chameleons. As I said, never copy me. I was just cutting towards myself. Never cut towards yourself. Always do it like this, away from yourself. No matter what angle you're cutting in, always cut away like this. Never like this, because you could stab yourself. Little tips every now and then. As I said, I don't care if I destroy the box. Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna close my eyes, open it, and have you guys see which one it is first. Ah, it's the emerald. But they're adorable. Rawr! I'll put you right. I'll move that over there. Okay. The last one. Here's hoping I don't get another golden Foxy. I think me's likey's what I see. Wait, what's the pure red one? Is that a glow in the dark one? Ooh, is that a Shadow Freddy sticker or a regular Freddy sticker? Oh, it's a regular Freddy sticker. But should I get more of these Five Nights at Freddy's blind boxes? Either way, I'm getting more. A Toy Chica card that's silver and not gold like the others. And I can get this out without damage. A Freddy sticker. Okay. I think he's glow in the dark. I'll tell you guys later if he is. Because all of these are fuzzy except for the mystery ones. Yeah, this is a mystery one. I can tell if I had it on the back of the box. See, it looks exactly like the mystery one. What are the chances of me getting two of the, well, technically 3 exclusive figures? I wasn't even looking for these ones precisely. Put you there. Okay. This is the one I was smiling about. It's Glitch Trap. See, Glitch Trap. Sorry. I know how to say his name. Put that there. Put that there. Glitch Trap. Oh, and Foxy. I got 4 Foxies. Sorry, I have my grandma's dogs in here. Right, Shebalin? Okay, glitch trap. Okay. Okay, I will put this away now. Always close your knives. Okay. Camera. Well, it's a fake camera. Here's everything I got. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick cut. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now where was I? Oh, I went and grabbed my Fanta. I don't drink this too often, but I love Five Nights at Freddy's, which is why I got it. Okay. Probably not gonna... The best combination... my chocolate's kind of melted. But it wasn't a hot card the other day. Okay. Yeah. Just as expected, it's cookies and cream. I will be making a slime video after this. I will go through and show you each item again while putting it in the bag. Okay. This is the item I'm hesitant about because I'm iffy about these peeling ones. But this is a carameled apple. I would not recommend smelling those ones. Okay. I would never say play with your food, but you have to play with this food. It's, as I said, peel. See? See? Peelable. Yeah. Okay, that's actually good. I got this from Five Below. I would recommend it. Okay, my containers. All of them. Okay. Fuck, Freddy keychain. I'm sorry, I'm tired-ish. I'm gonna hook you onto my backpack on my other keychain. I've been meaning to get a new keychain. I just put this one back on here. I put this one on here today. Okay. Water kitty. Gronkle. I forgot to open my soda. Okay, I forgot how good Fantas were. Okay, back to what I was doing. Golden Freddy keychain. Going on other side of bag. Camera. Going on loop. On zipper. Okay, let me just, so you guys can see my bag. My camera keychain. My Golden Freddy keychain. This keychain I have had for a little while now in my Freddy keychain. Okay. My Chica, Bonnie, Wither Bonnie, and Toy Chica, Wither Bonnie, and Plushy Foxy cards. I'm not going to put in the bag. I don't want them getting damaged. Same goes for the Freddy sticker, Chica plushie, and Bonnie sticker. The AFMail sticker collecting chart will go in the bag. Emerald Dragon plushie. Grab these. put them down. Dinosaur key ring goes in bag. Open this, drop that. Emerald Dragon squishy. Put in here, slide checklist in, close. I don't want these getting popped, which is why they're going back, excuse me, in their shells. Open, drop. Did I call that one Emerald? Yeah, that was right. Ruby Dragon plushie checklist, close. Oh, for Halloween, I will be giving some of these out at my friend's house, but I am not telling you where they live. I will be buying some of these and putting them in a basket for kids with allergies or parents who don't want their kids eating processed food with colorings. Okay, sheep. Bah. Okay. Let's go with these ones first. Glitch Trap, Toy Bonnie. The 3 bunnies are going in the bag. Foxy, Funtime Foxy, and Golden Freddy are going in the bag. Okay. My glow-in-the-dark Foxy and my golden Foxies. I'll pick him up in a minute. Golden Foxies. But you do have to admit, that's pretty cool how I got 2 golden ones without even trying. Just let me know what are the odds of me getting 2 golden ones. How many golden ones are there? There's 3 golden ones, a Freddy and a Chica. And the glow-in-the-dark ones are a Foxy and a Bonnie. I'm just assuming by their silhouettes. Okay, they're going in the bag. Okay, that's everything. Bye. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.